people that were involved in this thing, is it right or is it okay for them to come on the TikTok and give their side of the story? Is that okay?
No.
Okay. One. All right, let me finish now. Number two, is the law involved in this?
Yes,
In
it
what?
is.
The law involved. Okay, well, I haven't seen anything. I never seen the police. I never even see the police. Hold on, let me finish. Let me not see the police come out and say nothing.
Several statements and it has been on the news.
Everywhere I go on TikTok, well, I know, everywhere I go on TikTok, I see scream record of the family that's involved in this thing here. So let me say this now. So you see the comparison, I have to do it, yes or no. I've been in this country a few much years and me never see a family member involved in the crime come out and go talk to anybody out there, so, unless the crime has been exactly. I never seen it. So here me I go say now and people will come for me, but that's how you go. And you'll keep it straight like how my friend do it. Some of the things we're going to Jamaica are some bush behind the door, bush business. And thus we'll keep it real. I just saw the last day sometime at Jamaica. I just back door, bush door. And I just saw because you know how you involved in a crime and you come on TikTok and try to give your side of the story. Are you kidding me? How that work? Aroma, I want you answer that for me.
Bro, that is, you know what?
Hold on, brother.
You know what?
Hold on, my G. I'm a rough answer this.
Investigate.
Hold on, Sean, hold on. Aroma.
Aroma to answer.
Sure.
Yes, the thing about it, and I understand what you're saying, because remember, if this is a case that is actually in the possession of the police, in possession of the JCF, in reckon to all of this, the JCF would have supposedly bring up these people, these family members, all of the ones that points persons of interest and get them to do interviews, interrogations and stuff like that. So the fact that they would have gone in, because I heard more than one of them come on different, not even the TikTok platform, because most of the time I need to have the correct piece of information. So I follow the Observer and the Gleaner. They have their videos on their page on YouTube. Nationwide, them put out for them put out whatever has to be put out from the police, from the relative authorities. So all of them that goes in, they do their interviews, they do their interrogation. If they were deemed, I think from my perspective, persons of interest, then they would have been arrested. So the fact that they interrogate them, question them, and maybe still not see no lead for arrest them, then they let them go. So all of them were being taken into custody and questioned. But I think where the problem comes down, Mr. Eddie, is this. The information that we are looking for, maybe the more awareness, let us know this, let us know that. There wasn't a press conference in regard to all of this. Maybe I think this is where the problem comes in with the TikTok community. So automatically it becomes a lawyer, a judge, a jury, and all of that. So they know, as the family members choose to dip in on social media because they have been maybe chastised, they have been called out to be this, they have been called out to be that. So this is why they'll come out and they'll maybe put them like 2 cents. But for me, the police, them a do them work. We just have to have the patience where we don't have to wait on them until the necessary information is being put out.
Exactly
The
right.
information that was put out was that the original person of interest was being picked up at the Norman Manley Airport. She was interrogated at one location. She's now at another location going through further interrogation.
And that's a fact. That's fast.
That's a fact.
And
in
let I
addition
say
to that, the
something.
police has no obligation to come out and give nobody no statement at no time.
Let I say something to you guys. People keep saying
Police has no obligation to do that.
People keep saying that pertaining to the camera, if there was such a thing really or whatever, that the camera should be released. Let I tell you something. Not even the police can demand camera footage from any business place. You know what? The business owner willingly, voluntarily give it up. You see, if they don't want to, the police have to get a warrant and a subpoena to get that.
And that's a fact. That's a
No,
fact.
no police, not even police can walk in and no business and get camera for you, Sean. You're
We're
right.
to the point where Mr. EW says that the police is not required to say nothing about anything. And this is why the Jamaican public have no faith in the police, and that's why people go to TikTok and other places to voice their opinion. If you look at other countries and you say not to compare, but we have to compare to get ourselves better, right? I believe it aiming for the higher.
I don't like the
Don't
comparison.
give a statement. What do expect the people to do? And no wonder there is a disparity between the confidence.
You realize that all the people them are talking police and still not look on the crowd?
No, but this is what I'm saying. That's the problem.
You can talk and talk and talk. The police do for them work. What the public has to say. Well, I not listen to what the public has to say. And you and me as the public opinion has no bearing on the police's work. They will not look on you if you are not a part of the investigation.
No, this is what I'm saying.
Them not have
You
no
get my
obligation to feed the public any information.
No, this
When
is
all
the
is said and done, and go through the court system, then it becomes a matter of public record, then the public have access to it. But now in investigation period, the police has no obligation to release them
Get that.
investigative material to anybody for any reason.
We
If
get
that's
that-
how
that's
Jamaica's
the
system work, that is horrible. If that's how the system works in Jamaica, that is terrible.
What is the
And I
benefit
will
of hold on?
say-
Hey,
I will
hey,
say-
Let me ask,
I will
ask one
say-
next question.
I'm
I'm
not
going to ask
finished.
one question
I
and then
will
we
say,
DJ,
and I will say
BMW.
this.
Hold on, BMW.
Hold on, more ask
I
one
will-
question and then we mute. One question. How would the police releasing whatever information they have gathered, releasing it to the public in a period of investigation? How will that benefit the investigation? That's all I want to ask.
Okay. So let me answer that first. lady.
Understand.
So
Okay, go ahead, Eddie. Go ahead.
If the police
So-
come up,
so
if the police
we
come
say-
up, hold on,
we
hold
say-
on.
like to compare about
Eddie. Go
brother.
ahead, Eddie. Go ahead.
And the Eddie.
Analogy. You see, it's in this country they call America. When certain crime happen, they have to come out and say something. Have to come out
No,
and
don't say
give
have to.
information.
Don't say have to.
They
No,
have
all
to.
right.
They
do.
do.
No,
They
they
have
say
to.
what they want.
99% of the time.
Don't say have
They
to.
say
No
what
matter
they,
what-
they
Say have
want
to.
the public to hear.
Okay.
Don't
They
say have to.
say
They-
what they
okay.
want the
Then they don't
public
have to,
to
but they
work,
do it then.
to hear.
No,
Because
but
I work for a
Any crime
company.
happen,
Miss, hold a second, please. Let Eddie finish, please.
any crime happen, don't you notice the police keep you up to date constantly, right round the clock?
Did you
That's what they do
did you
here
know
in
that
this
politics?
country.
Did you know that politics surround the whole of them?
No,
something?
no, bro, listen to me. I'm not gonna do
I'm
that.
not gonna have
You're
that
not gonna do
conversation.
that to
I'm
the
not
Sean.
gonna do that.
No, it's
We're
not
not gonna
half.
do
But me I tell you,
Not gonna do
Brother,
that.
I'm
hold on,
telling you, it's
Sean,
not a matter of half.
Sean, I've been here. I've been here long enough for no say.
To know,
No,
to know.
No, Sean
Yes,
Wright.
sir.
Just listen, I'm saying, man.
Hello,
Sean Wright,
hello,
you did not
Mr.
10%.
Brown,
Alright,
Mr.
anything
Brown,
on us, anything
Mr.
on
Brown,
us.
Mr.
Alright,
Brown.
go on, Kat.
I want you guys to let Eddie finish.
Yeah, let him finish so persons can understand and you move on to the next person.
Them say Jamaica, the system of Jamaica is way different. In America, they keep you informed. Any
Yes.
crime happen,
And that's
certain
true.
things happen. Is with police, they come out and they give you play by play. Me don't care about politics or politics. They give that to you. And
Yep.
that's how the system work here. It's due for us to do. We know. We want to know, so you tell us what I want. You get what I'm saying, Sean? Jamaica, me not see them
Something.
come out like that, like Ona say.
Eddie,
Some stuff.
Eddie.
Okay?
Hold
This
on,
man
hold
said
on.
that.
I want to say something to Eddie there. Hold on there. You said while
Miss
you were
Marcia,
talking
give me a
just
second, Miss
now.
Marcia.
Hold on.
Yeah.
While you're talking just now, Eddie, unmute your mic, man. We have a conversation. You see, while you're talking just now.
Eddie, don't do that. Eddie's not gonna do that.
Yeah, man, no,
Just
man,
talk, he will
no.
respond.
That's time I asked. Me no, say I'm not gonna. That's time I ask him to unmute. You see, while you're talking just now, I went and did a quick little research, and the question I'm gonna ask is: in the US, is the police required to provide updates on ongoing investigations? And this is the answer: no. Law
No.
enforcement in the US is not required to release information on ongoing investigation, as they are permitted to withhold information that could jeopardize an investigation, a person's privacy, or national security. However, in certain cases, they will use their discretion and release some information to the public.
I just want to let you guys know
Some tell us that them not
the police
have no.
departments in America are based
They're
on city
supposed to-
and state.
They're
No,
not
well, no,
federal,
this is a general thing.
right?
There's some,
They're
there's
not
some.
city.
Well, on.
They're run by the city. They're run by state. They're not federal. So whatever
Listen-
you're doing could be a general statement, not
No,
based on the
listen.
city police or the state police.
J.A.
Police have respect for their people. That's why the Jamaican people do not trust the police or even like the police. We don't deal with each other with respect. So in America, the police system and even the government, they have a higher level of respect for the people. So even though they weren't required to do it, they understand the importance of having a good relationship with its citizens. They
But
don't
question though, in all of this that is being said, isn't every country all over the world have dirty, immannerable people and good people? All
Yeah.
the countries all over the world have these kind
No,
of people.
sir, based on all them
So
people here talk, everybody at
based
Jamaica,
on all of
dog.
this, it still leads back to the same thing as what is being said earlier. I think it's in reckon to maybe the type of case, the respect that they choose to want to provide the citizens with upon their terms. I think it is something like that. Because
is.
every country have dirty people, every country have good people. In
Except
the US, the
Jamaica.
same thing. Every country over the world have the same thing.
Except Jamaica.
All right.
One telephone go find everybody at Jamaica automatically.
If that's how you feel, EW, that's how you feel at this point. If that's how you feel, that's
Alright,
how
you see
you
the
feel.
thing is
Yeah,
this.
everybody
Because
can talk about how they
that's
feel.
ignorance.
Everybody can talk about how
It's
they
not-
feel. I can
I'm not
talk
gonna
about
do
how I
that.
feel
I'm
too.
not gonna do the arrogance and ignorance in conversation.
No, but
if we're
if
having a
everybody can say
conversation,
how they
we're
feel,
having a
if everybody can say how they
Alright,
feel, why
hold
can't
on,
I say
that's
how
it.
I feel?
Hold on.
Me can say how me
Alright,
feel
you
too.
see-
If
you see
everybody
the
can
thing
say
is
how they
this?
feel, I can say how me
You
feel too.
see the thing is this? This even make it worse. Una na go get no update. You know why? Too much
10 times worse.
People involved in this investigation.
Everybody a investigator now.
So the people them no want come say something about Tom. Say them a follow the lead because one family member suspected, and then
the public go kill them.
Then them go harass. Them have to keep it tight, a tight leash. Them have to
Any
keep
other
on it.
police ever call somebody near the mob them and bun down
It's been a
And them
month and
not have to
nobody
call
did
on
that.
them.
It never did that in a month.
Them don't
And
have
nobody
to call
does
on
that.
him, no. Them not have to call on him, no EW. They don't have to call on him. Them just want open to the public. Say them calling family member for investigation
Me say,
or for
the public
questioning
would have-
or
the
whatever.
public-
They said
The
that no.
public-
They're saying that no. And nobody's getting mobbed. Nobody's getting harassed. They said that no. It's been a month.
Hold on. Everybody on the
Because
panel.
we think the
You know
Jamaican
power of
people are not
politics in
smart enough.
Jamaica?
That's what you guys just say.
No man, I think it was the mother or Anne or Mr. T. One of them had come out from earlier up, stating that they had a fear, so they don't choose places to go anymore.
Mr. T
Because
said
the fact
fear.
that because the fact of they are not getting any answers. The people itself is not getting any answers, so it has become, even in reckon to the protest the other day, none of them was there except I think the child's mother and maybe some cousins that choose not to want to present themselves or say, oh, I am this, I am that. But in reckon to Anne and the other, prominent personnel, they choose not to want to because they were being threatened. It was proposed. It came out. They said it. So I guess maybe it has now. These are some of the reasons why it has now become. For me, that's just my opinion. No, people, please, my opinion. It has now
but
become
Sean,
a private
Sean say a
investigation.
thing, and
That's
most
how I
sides
look at it
disagree.
now.
Sean say a thing, and me ask you, do you know the power of politics in Jamaica? Any of you on the platform know the power of politics in Jamaica?
Politics business. We
Me know.
Right. You see politics.
The politics
You
business.
propose the
No,
politics is
but
affected.
everything in Jamaica is run by politics, and that is where we.
Jesus.
How do you
Stick to the story, we don't make me stick to the
hold on
Jayden
there.
something.
How
do.
do you suggest the politics is impacting Jayden Smith's case?
All
In what manner do you think the politics is impacting that?
Where you Sean as example. Sean come on this and give a statement and give a full rundown, right? You know Sean might end up at a police station next week, a transfer where he not see until 9 o'clock sun come up and put him in a one bush where he
You
didn't
think
know
I
whether
drew
he-
up way up in a Sligo Hill bush, surrounded by banana and cane. No promotion.
promotion, demotion, instant.
How you mean?
Mr. Dana man they will call one of the general police get transfer where for weeks we can't hear, I don't see him wife I say yeah man in life in good. For months we can't see a hear from him. Because what?
First thing, you see the police station where it's this investigation, but then when they look the boy missing, them have to get the green light to do anything from way up top. The green light have to come, especially if you talk to the media about it. They have to get the green light.
That is the power of politics in Jamaica.
So peer corruption. So basically you're saying it's peer
matter of
corruption.
corruption, it's just a chain. It's not a matter of corruption, it is just a chain.
The police
No,
cannot,
that is
the police and the lower end cannot come out and
That's
make a
corruption.
statement without approval
It's
from
a
higher
chain,
authority.
Eddie. It's a chain, Eddie.
Just like any other
It's a chain.
organization, the persons
but
down on the ground cannot
you
make
know,
cannot make a press release without corporate. If I want private, if a NCB or Scotia, you think the teller can come up and talk to the media, a head office have to approve that.
Hey,
let me give you that.
I would have to come talk first. I would head of communication have to talk
Yeah, the
first.
head of the communication, the regular person can even, the regular man from the station can even, at the head of the CCN, whether woman the name, whatever the woman the name.
I would, man.
Yes, as she have to make the statement. The average police on the ground can make no statement. As the CCN, they have a communications arm, the police have a communications arm, where they have to release anything.
BMW. This one I go feel now, BMW. I have a cousin who used to a police in Jamaica and been in America 5 years now. Him no go back to Jamaica since. And any certain crime in Jamaica, and depends on the man where them unalive, the police in Jamaica take the picture and send it to him. Is that legal too?
No, we're not gonna say that legal. That's not legal. They're not supposed to.
So right. So
Oh, be careful, Eddie. Be careful. You live in America
Eddie,
for too long. You can't discriminate against Jamaican politics down there.
Eddie,
No, man,
Eddie,
no,
watch out, no, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you this. Watch out,
hold on,
no,
Egypt.
Eddie,
BMW,
hold
hold
on,
on,
no,
hold
you
on.
ask me something, so let me respond. If me and you are
Yeah,
police
but
and I
no,
am a
but-
virgin, hold on, no, man, and I am a virgin, and you left and gone live in Africa, and me there on the ground is still at work, and me get certain picture, anything at all. Me can send it to my virgin, that not nothing to do with politics.
Yeah, but
After you are my friend.
It's politics, you know.
After you are my friend, and if you take a picture, me can send it to my friend.
listen, when we are in Jamaica and we run
As an individual, it's not like he is still connected to official communication channels at the JCF, and I get communications through official channels. In Virgin, take a picture and say they can give him. No, but I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. And what you know? I'm gonna tell you this. If the authorities ever know so that police are send picture go give somebody in Ghana, what you say?
I'm in the same
Yeah, but
position. Because I used to
most
be
of
at
these
CCTV.
pictures,
And everything happened. Me get me info from one or another CCTV information. But then we'll send it because they know you're not going to publish it or you're not going to share it.
Somebody will send it to you exactly. So you have a virgin down here, say virgin no say, yeah man, me I send this to Brown man. Cause me know say Brown am a link and Brown now go bust spam me. So me squeeze him and show him the 100 what go on. Because it was with the police and it was with the on the ground, so me not left him out. I'm a virgin. But it's not like it's not like it's the authorities are sending you, and him not sending you in our official police capacity. He must send you as a virgin.
Yeah, but you see, I'm saying all of us are Jamaican and call a spade a spade. The power that politics
And that's
have
why them police they will send out the video them are go to wait. The police will catch them and prison them feet.
Alright, you remember when Jamaica
And that's why the police them will give blind and help people and cut people slap them to go to prison feet too. Since we want perfect the system. All of them people that we are do everything and I squeeze people and I give people blind and I help people to and I give people information. They hold them to go to prison.
EW now go so far, man. Bogey blind for that prison. Now I'm here, man.
No, because you hear what you hear the statement.
Alright, you remember Jamaica changed out?
Blind,
when
so
Jamaica
my
was
player
changed
for
over
blind.
to Jamaica.
No, because when you give people blind now, them say the system corrupt. When police see and say, alright,
make
do the
sure
rate
corrupt.
there, them say, oh, the system corrupt, the system corrupt. So you say if they cut out the corruption there, then they go to
No,
prison.
EW, you get it wrong. Beg a blind and buy a blind. When you buy a blind, you're corrupt. When you beg a blind, that's not corrupt. When you beg a blind, the police warn you. Alright, go solve that. What you
You know,
alright,
beg,
say
well, I know, since you're gonna run the risk of corruption, don't beg no blind. And they
no,
say
you
if
not beg a
it's
blind. Listen, no, it depends. Alright, let me say, one of your tail light, the police can take it for you. You beg him a blind, it's alright.
don't beg no blind.
Let's say you go home and change the light.
If your name beg no blind, he wouldn't ask you for no money. So your tail light out, take your ticket.
No, and every police, listen brother, me have some police friends them and they don't make money. They will tell us, yo, if we see you tomorrow, you don't fix that, they'll charge you for it.
Me never used to beg money.
They can jump on that now then. Anytime he get stop at Jamaica, I say, want me show my ID? Me, I feel let off something. That video of that, but me not
You
release
don't
it.
have to. You don't have to. You can't say, right, me ticket,
Exactly.
me pay it.
No. I know I don't have to. Me know that.
So don't say you
Me
have
know
to.
that. The
You
bad driver and
choose
police
to.
are. Well, I know. No. You know what you go say, no, my brother. But they're not supposed to ask for it anyway.
But even when they ask
They're not
you, you
supposed to
have
do
to
that
give them it.
anyway.
So, remember, the corruption comes from
But
two
we-
sides of
but
corruption.
we-
You know? There's the givers and the takers.
No,
you know? If
but
you
we
choose,
still
if you
do.
choose, well, or not, if you
Especially-
choose,
well, no.
if you stop being a giver, there can be no takers.
Especially if you're gonna get a ticket, you give them for not get the ticket, my G. So
That's exactly.
keep it
So
real.
you are equally complicit to the corruption. So don't say the police corrupt. You corrupt too.
give me the ticket too. No, give me the
Then
ticket.
so don't. So when they ask if you money, say me not give you no money, brother. Go and buy your business, right? Me ticket, give me, go pay that. That's what you're supposed to say.
Yeah, but we're not.
So if you choose to give the police money, you are equally corrupt.
When Mr. Tony said the
Anything
power
you
of
say.
politics, you might understand what I'm saying. It's a wide thing.